Welcome. If you're looking to unpin a friend's conversation on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Maybe you pinned a chat to keep it at the top for quick access, but now you want to declutter or simply change your priorities. Here's the latest step-by-step guide to unpinning a friend's conversation on Snapchat as of 2025. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you straight to your profile page, where you'll find all your account details and settings. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This will bring up the full list of your Snapchat friends. Now, find the friend whose conversation you want to unpin. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you've found your friend, press and hold down on their name. After a moment, a menu will pop up with several options. Look for the 3 dots at the top of this menu and tap them. This will open even more settings for that specific chat. From here, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can customize how you interact with this friend, including managing pinned conversations. Finally, you'll see the option to unpin conversation. Tap on it, and just like that, the chat will move down your list, organized by the time of the last message rather than staying at the top. That's all there is to it. Unpinning a conversation is quick and doesn't notify the other person, so you can organize your chat list however you like without any awkwardness. Whether you want to make room for new pins or just tidy up, these steps will help you keep your Snapchat chats just the way you want them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy snapping.